What if I told you that the hardest part of becoming wealthy is not making your first $100,000, it's making your first $20,000. And once you cross that number, something shifts. Money starts behaving differently, opportunities start showing up, and most importantly, your mindset changes. But here's the problem. Almost nobody teaches you what to do after you hit $20,000. They just say, keep saving or invest in stocks, but that's too basic. So in today's video, I'm going to break down the exact strategy to go from $20,000 to $100,000 step by step. And trust me, this is where the real game begins. Welcome back to Finance Theory. My name is Mr. Nomi, and on this channel, we break down real strategies to build wealth, grow money, and think like the top 1%. If you're serious about making money work for you, not the other way around, make sure you... Now, let's get into it. Part 1. WHY $20,000 is a turning point. Most people think $20,000 is just savings, but it's not. It's your first real financial weapon. Here's why. At $1,000, you can't invest properly. At $5,000, you're still limited. But at $20,000, now you have options. You can start investing seriously, launch a small business, buy assets, take calculated risks. This is where the wealthy separate from everyone else. Average people protect money. Wealthy people deploy money. And if you treat your $20,000 like something to save forever, you'll stay stuck. Part 2. The biggest mistake people make. Let me be very clear. The biggest mistake people make after reaching $20,000 is they become too safe. They worked hard to save it, so now they're afraid to lose it. And that fear keeps them broke. They keep money in the bank. Avoid investing, miss opportunities, but here's the truth. Money sitting still is losing value every single day. Inflation is eating it. Opportunities are passing you, and you're not moving forward. The goal is not to protect your $20,000. The goal is to multiply it. Part 3. The real strategy, the 3-bucket system. Now let's talk about the strategy no one tells you. It's called the 3 buckets system. This is how you turn $20,000 into $100,000. Bucket 1. Safety 20 to 30%. First, protect yourself. Put around $4,000 to $6,000 aside. This is your emergency fund safety net, backup money. You don't touch this. This removes fear, because when you're not scared, you make smarter decisions. Bucket 2. Growth 40 to 50%. This is where the real magic happens. Put around $8,000 to $10,000 into growth investments. Examples: index funds, ETFs, long-term stocks. This is slow but powerful. You're not trying to get rich overnight here. You're building consistent wealth. Over time, this grows automatically. Bucket 3. Aggressive 20 to 30%. This is the part most people ignore, and it's the most important. Take $4,000 to $6,000 and use it for business, side hustle skills, higher risk, higher reward opportunities. This is where your income can explode. Because here's the truth. You don't get to $100,000 by playing safe. You get there by taking smart risks. Part 4. Income is the real game. Let me give you a reality check. Investing alone will not take you from $20,000 to $100,000 quickly. You need to increase your income. This is where most people fail. They focus only on saving and investing, but ignore earning more. Ask yourself, can you start a side hustle? Can you learn a high-income skill? Can you freelance online? Can you build something scalable? Because when your income increases, everything speeds up. Instead of saving $500 a month, you save $2,000 a month. And suddenly, $100K is not a dream anymore. Part 5. The mindset shift going from $20,000 to $100,000 is not just strategy, it's mindset. You must stop thinking like a saver and start thinking like an investor. Here's the difference. Saver mindset. Don't lose money, play safe, avoid risk, investor mindset. Where can this grow? What opportunity am I missing? How can this multiply? Wealth is built by people who think in multiples, not just amounts. Part 6. Time vs. Speed. There are two ways to reach $100,000. Slow way. Save money. Invest passively. Wait 5 to 10 years. Fast way. Increase income. Take smart risks. Build something. The fastest path is a combination of both. That's the secret. Part 7. Real example. Let's say you start with $20,000. You invest $10,000, keep $5,000 safe. Use $5,000 to start something. Now imagine your side hustle makes just $1,000 a month. In 1 year, you've made $12,000. Your investments grow. You reinvest profits. Now, you're not at $20,000 anymore. You're at $35,000, $40,000 plus. Repeat this process. And suddenly, $100,000 becomes realistic. Part 8. Final truth. Here's what no one tells you. The jump from $20,000 to $100,000 is not about luck. It's about strategy, consistency, courage. Most people stay stuck because they play too small. But if you use your $20,000 wisely, it can completely change your life. If you found value in this video, make sure to like and subscribe to Finance Theory and comment below 2OK to 10OK if you're serious about your journey. I'm Mr. Nomi, and I'll see you in the next one.